The amazing sounds of a cat. Did you know a cat has two vocal cords? That's right. These tiny parts let cats make over 100 different sounds. From meows and purrs to hisses and growls, cats use their voices to talk to humans, other cats, and even to express feelings like happiness or fear. Cats are curious creatures. They might immure themselves in a cozy corner to nap, but their voices are always ready to share their thoughts. Whether they're asking for food or just saying hello, their sounds are a language all their own. Next time you hear your cat meow, remember that tiny sound is part of a big, clever communication system. Cats may be small, but their voices are mighty.